Today I explain you how to use the HowToUse Click and Slide wallet. Every wallet comes with a banderole and you can scan via QR code HowToUse. Every packaging contains also a user manual where you can see how it uses. The best is to use the wallet with a minimum 3 to 5 cards. It's very important to put all cards together into the wallet. You hear the click and then you have to close the wallet, pushing the button 1 millimeter up. Then the cards are safe. All cards inside the aluminum case are RFID safe. The mechanism is patented and the only automatic card sliding mechanism. Inside the envelope, you find a second user manual for all the important steps. It's perfect for cards you don't use every day, like an ID card, like a driving license, and the slot is perfect for cash. All the cards inside the leather envelope are not RFID safe. Now I show you how not to use the wallet. Because of the patented mechanism who is designed for minimum 3 to 5 cards, never put only one card in because it will be bent and block the mechanism. Also with 2 cards, not possible. So use minimum 3 or 4 or 5 cards all together, lock it, and you have a RFID safe, made in Germany, click and slide HowToUse wallet.